Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Chino. So Bitcoin coming down to our next cluster area, the 62.61 area. The actual low was 62.60.10. Now just moving sideways. The 8's caught up now, so this is a make it or break it area. So if we see a close above the 8, then I will be watching for a return to this prior support becoming resistance area and the declining 21, which is right around 64, 67 area, somewhere in there. If we get through there, next major area, we got dual moving averages and a prior gain level at 65.14. If we get 8 pushing the price and this breaks lower, watch for retest 62.61, then 61.96, which is essentially 6,200. Let's check in on the daily chart. So again, that 65.14 area we just talked about, prior gain level, and the moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Also first cross the rotation zone area coming in 64.98 to about 65.23. So that's going to be a very key area to watch on any rally if we do rally up strongly. Also, you see the candle bodies here, lots of support coming in there. So that's a very key area to watch for. Now to the downside, if we do break through the 62.61, which is also this little prior resistance becoming support area, and we go below that, next level is 61.96. Pretty much next key area down below that would be the 6,000 area again, 6,008 to 6,025, key support in there. Checking in on Bitcoin Cash, next major level down we had was 66.82. And just missing that, we got to 683, moving sideways, finally closing back in the rotation zone, retesting the gain level, and then moving back up now. Major resistance is going to come in 715 to 716. If we do get through there, watch for a return to about 729. I'm going to drag these down here and give us next big levels when we look at the daily chart, which we're going to switch to now. So daily chart, let me zoom in here. Wow, that's interesting. So if this area does not hold and we rotate lower, 664 to 668 is next major area, then the next Gann area is right at the prior lows. So 645 are the key areas now. What was that? Let me switch back to a 4-hour. I said on that area, next level up about 729. Back to the daily. This is using your multi-time. And that's where exactly where the 8 is, 727. So 727 to 729. Also, that's the key support in here. Going to be very strong resistance. If we do rally through there and we have a very strong rally, then I'd be watching for a potential return to about 738 for the next area of key resistance. Then we can start doing gain level projections back up. So where you use the most recent low and then you wait for pauses and you do your 12 and 25% projections. It's just a little too early to do that. That gives you enough information for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to help with whatever you're doing with it, trading, investing, or just learning. And we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.